Who wouldn't love a plate of creamy, cheesy macaroni pasta recipe just like your favorite restaurant food? Today, I'm going to show you how to make a quick, easy, and flavorful homemade pasta. This is the perfect comfort food for pasta lovers. So let's get cooking. Do you get these wacky weeknights when you were craving something comforting but won't spend a minute longer than an hour in the kitchen? That's how I prepared this easy pasta recipe. I had only 20 minutes one wacky night before movie time, and this one got hot pasta was a lifesaver. With simple ingredients and a deep sauce, this is in a flash dinner concept. Is now my top pick for my family nights and even unexpected guests. Here's what you need for this homemade macaroni paste. 2 cups macaroni pasta, 1 tablespoon butter, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 small onion chopped finely, 1 teaspoon garlic minced, 1 cup of diced tomatoes or tomato for the classic tomato pasta sauce, half cup of colorful bell peppers, 1 teaspoon chili flakes, half teaspoon black pepper, salt to taste, half cup grated cheese, half cup milk or cream. For garnish, freshly parsley or basil. Step 1. Cook the macaroni pasta in salted water until al dente. Cooking till just done but still a little bit hot. This should take approximately 8 minutes. Drain and set aside. Step 2. Melt butter and oil in a pan. Add chopped onion and garlic. Step 3. Add diced tomatoes and bell peppers. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes until the tomatoes break down and give a rich pasta sauce. Step 4. Add salt, chili flakes, and black pepper mixed properly. Step 5. Add milk or cream to form creamy macaroni sauce. Let it simmer for a minute. Step 6. Add macaroni and mix until every piece is covered in that smooth sauce. Step 7. Cap the grated cheese to finish the cheesy macaroni flavor and cover for a minute to melt the cheese. Serve hot over this Italian pasta with fresh basil or parsley. Add an extra kick by drizzling some olive oil or sprinkle some extra chili flakes. You can also add grilled chicken or mushroom to make it a budget meal for a happy family dinner recipe. If you like this quick lunch hack, give this video a massive thumbs up and share it with a fellow pasta lover. Comment below and let me know, how do you prefer to have your macaroni cheese? And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more weeknight dinner hacks and stovetop pasta tricks every week.